Can you become a millionaire? Yes, you can, and yes, it is possible. With the right approach, it is certainly possible. The following step-by-step guide might be helpful to someone on their journey to becoming a millionaire. First and foremost, set clear goals. Millionaire status requires careful planning and consistent action. In order to reach this milestone, it is important to set clear, SMART goals as follows. 1. The letter S stands for specific. Define what being a millionaire means to you. Does it mean having $1 million in assets, savings, or a combination of both? Specify where this wealth will come from. Investments, business, real estate, or other income streams. 2. M stands for measurable. Track your progress by setting measurable goals. For instance, calculate how much you need to save, invest, or earn each month or year to reach your $1 million goal. Use financial tools or software to track your assets and liabilities. 3. A stands for achievable. Ensure your goal is achievable with your current resources and constraints. Assess your financial situation, consider your income, and determine realistic ways to increase it. This might involve enhancing your education, starting a business, or investing in high-yield assets. 4. R stands for relevant. Your goal of becoming a millionaire should align with your broader financial objectives and lifestyle aspirations. For example, if you aim to retire early, building significant wealth might be crucial. Or if you wish to leave a legacy, accumulating wealth could align with your values and long-term vision. 5. The last T stands for time-bound. Set a clear deadline. Decide at what age or year you want millionaire status. Having a timeline helps focus your efforts. For instance, you might set a goal to reach this status by 40. Break this down into smaller goals like quarterly financial targets to make the process manageable. Let me now share some business ideas with you that have so much potential. Number 1. E-commerce store platform. Use Shopify or WooCommerce to build an online store. Both platforms offer robust e-commerce tools and are beginner-friendly. Products. Select products you are passionate about or trending. Ensure healthy demand and manageable competition. Marketing. Invest in digital marketing, including SEO, paid ads, and social media to attract customers globally. Number 2. Real estate investing strategy. Choose between renting for steady income or flipping properties for quick profits. Property selection. Focus on locations with high growth potential. Consider factors like the employment rate, the upcoming infrastructure, and the school district. Financing. Secure financing through loans, partnership, or real estate investment trusts. REITs. Number 3. Technology solutions. Focus. Develop apps or software that address current market needs, such as remote work enhancements or health and wellness apps. Development. Collaborate with skilled developers or learn coding yourself to build the product. Monetization. Offer your product as a subscription service or a one-time purchase with additional support. Number 4. Franchising research. Choose a franchise that aligns with your interests and has a strong market presence. Capital. Ensure you have sufficient capital for franchise fees and operational costs. Management. Operate under the franchise model while maintaining high standards of service and quality. Number 5. Consulting services specialization. Identify your area of specialization, whether finance, marketing, or management. Networking. Build your network through industry events and online platforms to attract clients. Delivery. Offer personalized solutions and regular follow-ups to differentiate themselves from competitors. Number 6. Subscription services. Niche. You should choose a niche that has a large following, such as fitness programs or hobby kits that have passionate followers. Platform. Use subscription management software to handle recurring payments and customer management. Engagement. Keep subscribers engaged with regular updates, exclusive offers, and community features. Number 7. Health and wellness business type. Choose between a physical location like a fitness center or a virtual service, such as nutritional consulting. Certifications. Obtain the necessary certifications and stay updated with industry trends. Marketing. Promote holistic health benefits and personalized services. Number 8. Online education and training content. Develop detailed courses in your area of expertise. Use engaging content formats like videos, quizzes, and interactive sessions. Platform. Host your courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, or build your own website. Promotion. Utilize content marketing and partnerships to reach potential students. Number 9. Green energy solutions. Products, services. Offer products like solar panels or services such as energy audits. Certifications. Gain certifications relevant to green technologies and energy management. Market. Focus on both residential and commercial markets to maximize reach. Each of these business ideas requires dedication, research, and a clear understanding of the target market. Start by identifying which idea aligns best with your interests and strengths. Then take practical steps to plan, launch, and grow your business. business. With the right approach and commitment, these businesses offer significant profitability and success potential. Now you should focus on reinvesting your profits at the beginning of your business growth. Reinvesting your profits is a smart way to build wealth, especially using compound interest. Simply put, use any money earned from investments to buy more, rather than spending it. Opt for automatic reinvestment plans like DRIPs to make this process seamless. Keep a diverse portfolio, regularly check your investments, and consider tax-efficient accounts like IRAs for added benefits. Patience is key, as compound interest accumulates over time. If needed, seek advice from financial experts to enhance your strategy. And that's your guide to becoming a millionaire. Choose one of these strategies, set clear goals, and take action. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Drop your questions or progress updates in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, your millionaire journey starts now. It's time to make it count.